If I can choose a moment where I can change something about my life, it would be when I was in grade 12. When I was in grade 12, I was courting someone. Just like many couples, we had our bad times and good times. We were able to resolve it immediately, but before our graduation, we had a misunderstanding until it grew big that eventually we stopped talking to each other. I had many chances to make things right and to reconcile, but I didn't take it. I was so complacent that I didn't care about our situation. I regret that I didn't do anything. And according to Humayra Kabir, that these feelings stuck to up to our mental space and leave us with a feeling worse about ourselves every time. I would choose this moment to change. I would change it but by finally doing and saying something this time. I would ask if everything was alright and to take our time to understand each other's feeling. If we all have a chance to make to ch- if we all have a chance to change something, are we really sure that the things we thought is the best choice that we can make?